Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Have you been trying to find that account number for your PayPal account? Well, you should look no further as PayPal might not have account number for every country out there. It depends on the region where you are. So if you are in a region where account number is required, only then you will have the routing number and account number. Even PayPal says it the same, that your PayPal account doesn't have an account number or routing number, and the email address that you use to log in the main identifier of account. So basically your email address is the main identifier of your account. But if you have the account number or the routing number, then you should just log into your PayPal account, then click on this option of more, and here you will see that option of your direct deposit info. Just click on it, and after that you will be able to see it. Since I don't have the account number or the routing number because it is not required for me in the region where I live, so that's why the option is not there for me, and this is the case. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.